Hello guys, I am Vanessa, the princess of social media. I have guys to review a product for you. This is my eyeglass. See? This is my eyeglass and this is the case of my eyeglass. The case of my eyeglass, the color is purple. As you can see, we will open it. And that is inside and there is the cleaner. You can see that is see it, the cleaner. Okay guys, so this is my eyeglass. You can see it, the eyeglass. See what it look like. I hope you can see it.